The milling machine training course is aimed at all those who are already working in the field of milling or who wish to become a CNC machine operator. A milling machine removes material from a workpiece by rotating a cutting tool, also known as a cutter, and moving it into the workpiece. Milling machines, either vertical or horizontal, are usually used to machine flat and irregularly shaped surfaces and can be used to drill, bore, and cut gears, threads, and slots. This milling machine training course teaches workers how to control a machine with a rotating cutter. This milling training course also covers topics such as the setup and use of the milling machine, the functions of basic cutters and attachments. This course uses hands-on experience for projects so that trainees gain experience on the milling machine. Book your milling machine training with us today and start building your career by becoming a CNC machinist.